Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna do unboxing of this tree pruner, which is a kind of garden tool, and it's a long pole, so I'm gonna do the fitting too. Okay, so but before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So this is the first component, guys. I'm gonna remove the outside paper. So guys, this is very sharp. You see this tip? It's very sharp, and this is gonna do the actual task. Okay, when I join it in a pole, so you have to use it very carefully. Okay, and it should not fall into the hands of children. Okay, now I'm gonna take out the other tools. So guys, these are the items I have. This is handle. If you want to use it without the long pole, we're going to form the long pole with this. And these screws are very important. You know why? Okay, if you're cutting a branch or something that is reachable with your hand, you don't need the pole. So you're going to assemble this pruner like this, and you have to be very careful. Okay, I'm just inserting this here. You see these two holes? Okay, so yeah, now you can put the screws over there. They have provided the screws with it so that it gets tightened, and use the nuts on the other side so that it holds it, so that it does not get any problem when you actually do the job. First mode. Now, but what if I want to use this long pole? So you need to assemble the long pole first, and that's what I'm gonna show in this part. Use the long pole. Okay, it's almost the same. The only thing is okay, let me show you the step. But anyway, this is the first part. Okay, and then I'm gonna assemble others on top of it. So you see this one I take it. Okay, and you can just rotate it. Keep rotating until it gets firm at its place, because you don't want any loose connection, right? Similarly, now take another part depending upon the length that you need. Okay, sometimes you may not need all the length. Okay, so sometimes you just need one or two, or sometimes even three, or sometimes even more if you are going for to cut a branch from a very long tree. Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna assemble all of them here. Just hold it. Long pole is ready. You see it's going all the way there. Okay, now in order to hold it firm, what you need to connect this handle here. So you need to put a screw here. Okay, here. Okay, you see this? Yeah, you need to put a screw over there so that it covers the handle here. So this gets formed, and then we need to connect two of these here. So totally, if you see, we have got 3 screws. Okay, these 2 small screws are going to go right here, and this big one is gonna go here. So I'm gonna do one by one. This part is now ready, and you need to tighten it well, because you're gonna literally move up and down once it reaches a tree branch to cut it. I have connected this part too, so I'm all ready. So now I'm gonna go to backyard and I'm gonna cut. Before I do that, I forgot to show you this top part, most part. That's why I disassembled. You see the holes are here. Okay, so these holes will go here. Let me fit it, and then we're gonna pass the screw along. So now the screw has been entered and it's tightened with the nut on the other side. So make sure, like, first one at the bottom one, both are important, and those who are in middle, that you can change depending upon the size that you need.